here from Luxembourg into Germany, and yeah, we're going to be heading south, but not just yet. And although this bit's not very nice, this is just boring road and it's a bit wet. It gets nicer as we go on, it dries up, and there's some lovely forest roads. One thing I found with Germany is there's some beautiful roads to ride on.
Thank you.